That's good. Ready to go to school?
Yeah.
After a long weekend. Back to school na si Ryan. Ready na ang kanyang baon. Ang lalagyan ng baonan ni Ryan ay nasira na. This lasted 2 years. Kailangan na natin bumili ng bago. Ang ganda ng water bottle ni Ryan o Ryan World. Bago yan. Kaya mukhang ano pa, maganda. Etong bag ni Ryan naman, nasira na guys. Malapit na yung end of school year. So, kailangan na nating bumili ng mga bagong gamit sa school na naman. And Daddy Ram is back. Kahapon pa guys. And back to his duty also. Dropping Ryan to the bus stop.
And he's back again.
Vacation finish. Bye. See you later, Nana. Love you.
See you later. Bye.
Sineset up ko yung Buy Juice ni Ryan, guys. Educational app. Na-remember nyo, lagi niyang ginagawa ito dati. Pero, ang nangyari kasi, na-stop dahil ang tagal dumating ng books ni Ryan. Grade 2 pa lang ito, guys. Ha? Grade 2. Dapat grade 3 na si Ryan yung mga books na darating. Pero, late. Diyos ko, 1 taon na late. Kaya, hindi nagawa ni Ryan. Sayang naman. Pero, ang plano ko, since malapit na yung school holidays ni Ryan, ipapaano ko sa kanya, ipapasagot ko. Madali lang ito para sa kanya eh. And, itong app niya, hindi gumagana, hindi nag-open yung Buy Juice app. So, sinet up ko pa ulit. Buti na lang talaga nagawa ng paraan. And everything is still working. So, instead na manonood siya ng YouTube, ito na ang gagamitin niya. Hopefully. Ito yung app guys, oh. Ito yung mga videos na kailangan panoorin ng bata para mga lessons nila. Nakapakita ko na ito sa inyo dati guys. Pero sa mga new subscribers. Ito naman pag mag-quiz sila Ryan. Lalagay dyan. Then ito. Tapos yung libro na may mga questions. Lalagay dyan. Ayan. Then, sasagutan nila yan dito. Magre-reflect ang answer doon. Then, sabihin nila kung tama or mali yung sagot ng bata. Then, may monthly or yearly progress. Malalaman nila based sa mga sagot ng bata dito sa mga worksheets. Someone is back to his den.
Yeah. Happy. I miss this.
All is done. I re-download the app. It's working properly now.
The other one working?
Yes. No need to call them again.
See.
Yeah, but I did it.
Oh, she did it after I told you I would download that, he did it.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the loo.
Okay, let's go.
Get some.
Grab something.
Yeah, close it. Look at this one, Daddy.
See, look at the price.
768 to 650 only.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Because our glasses, the world glasses, top 6, 3 I think. It's nice.
No wine glass. We need wine glass also.
Yeah, we will have wine glass.
Yeah. Take one. Gusto ko rin ng ganito guys, oh, yung glass na kitchen. Magkano ba to? 599, I think. Oh, 7 pieces glass set caster. From 999, 599 na lang. Dito na kami sa meet area. So quiet. Walang ibang tao. Kami lang. I want pusit, Daddy. Oh, why the pusit become expensive? $399. It's 100 plus 200 before only. No. White prawn. White prawn. Walang mutton, guys. Balik na naman tayo bukas nito. Moton pa naman ang sinadya ni Daddy Ram. Chicken na lang.
2 kg. Kaya ito na, dodo line ba? Cut pa.
Ito na kami sa gulay sections, guys. Nakakuha na ako ng okra, string beans, ayan, apple, ano pa. Sa Diram kumukuha ng drumstick or bunga ng malunggay. Meron silang maliit na sili. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Na kami sa bahay, guys. Grocery haul tayo. Bumili ako nito, oh. Bun. Sarap nito. Favorite nila yan. Tissue. Isang tissue lang binili namin kasi usually ang tissue binibili namin sa D-Mart kasi buy one get one doon. Yung mga sabon pang laba, yung mga dishwashing soap, doon namin binibili kasi mas mura. Sa Lulu, usually mga meat lang and prutas, gulay, ganon. Ito ang aming lunch today. Ang akin ay barbecue chicken, kay Daddy naman ay tandoori chicken. Daddy, can you order my bread? Grapes. Croissant nila yan. Spring onions. Blueberries. At least may blueberry na, guys. Okra ito, okra. Bunga ng malunggay. Strawberries. More strawberries. More strawberries. Ang dami namang binili ni Daddy Ram. Then, more gulay and prutas. Parang orange ito. Apple. Banana, raw banana. Mag-aano ako, talong. Tortang talong. String beans, kasi gusto kong maginisang baboy with string beans. Potatoes. Mga ano na to, guys. Karne, prawn, peeled and unpeeled. Pusit. Nakasya. Then, chicken. Then, yung baso na binili namin. Ayan. Ayusin na natin ito. Para sa baon din ito ni Ryan, guys, sa school. Yung prutas niya.
What? How did you know?
I know it's you, of course.
From that one?
Yes.
What is that?
That's my big mic. Get your bag, come on.
It's a mic?
Yes. How's school?
Nice.
Everything good?
Yeah.
I already set up your Byju's.
Byju's. I want the solar system.
Yes.
What do we have to do?
Open it up. Oh, where's your pen?
Pass the time, count the objects, and write the...
Oh.
Elsa, Anna, and Olaf let the ocean breeze cool them down, and they go first. Oh, look! Olaf has found little ducklings in a pond. He loves spending time outdoors and spotting different things. What do you think he could spot up in the sky?
It's reading. What are the stars?
Oh, perfect! We see clouds, planes, stars, birds, the moon, and the sun in the sky.
Great job!
What star?
Next. You started doing Byju's already. You were busy, right?
Oh, I did already.
Yeah.
I got a certificate.
Yeah. Congratulations, Ryan.
Proud of boy.
Ryan. So proud of you from Logic Kids. 15th place in zonal rank.
South John, South India.
Yeah.
Mental aptitude.
Congratulations, my love.
Thank you.
Okay.
Who's the boss? Madam Garu. Huh?
I'll change my clothes, but I'm not gonna wear swimming clothes.
So your stomach, man.
Give me some orange.
Finish it, then you can come here. It's the other way around, I think.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh,
Is there anything behind me?
look at that.
Yeah. Okay, I like that. Other way around means you have to.
Remove it again.
Yeah,
It's not
Flip it.
that sweet, Daddy.
for me it's okay. It's so
Mummy, Mummy, everything wants to be sweet, man. Even what you want, chili powder will be sweet also. That's see. This is orange supposed to be not that sweet, okay?
Sweet orange, okay?
Okay, I'm here. Bye. Oh, thank you, sir.
What?
Big orange. You always complain and you do mal. Mommy,
What I complain?
you complain this one just now. You complain about the orange.
You have to listen to him. Maybe you don't listen to me, but you cannot say anything to him.
Okay. Ryan is back sa kanyang swimming class after almost a month of break, guys. Ngayon lang ulit kasi nagkasakit tapos bakasyon. Hello. How was swimming class? Is it cold water? Cold? No? Okay. Nag-get ready ako, guys. Akala ko ihatid namin yung pinsan ni Ram sa airport kasi balik na sila ng US. Pero sabi niya wag na daw kasi malapit na sila sa airport and hindi na namin sila maaabutan. Papasok na sila sa loob ng airport para mag-check-in. So sabi ni Ram, okay, sige. Kasi pag nagpunta kami tapos around maybe 10 minutes, hardly lang naman mag-say goodbye. Sabi niya, wag na lang daw. And may inaasikaso din kami itong project ni Ryan, guys. Ayan, unsung heroes ng India. Kailangan naming gumawa ng parang calendar. So, paste namin dito. Tapos, mag-drawing si Ryan ng seasons, pangalan nila, and then, date of birth, at ano pang ibang details. Ito ang kinabibisihan ng mag-asawa para sa anak. Kami ang gumagawa ng project. Someone is just eating Chocolate and enjoying. Later you will draw, okay? This is just the starting.
Go draw what? Have
Season.
you draw this?
No, not that one.
For the season.
Where is the one you bought marker, Nana?
Markers.
Where are the markers that you bought? Here. Then I will put
Non-singing heroes. Right?
Vera what?
Vera Gala.
Show me. Ang pangit pa naman ang handwriting ko.
Veer. Vera Gata. VWR. Stop there. Why?
Oh, my handwriting is that good.
It's okay.
I need some support.
Support what?
Line. Or else it's gonna go down, up and down.
Where?
Good signal.
Don't shake, please, Nana. This is one-time thing only. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Gumagawa kami ng project niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-study muna siya ng Telugu. Ginawang tanday ang libro niya. Ay, naku, ang batang ito.
School pila tayo, swimming. School.
Yeah. Kawawa naman. Okay, bye. See you later.
See you later.
Ayan, nilagyan ko ng blanket. Gigising pa kaya ito mamaya. So, update pala sa ating katulong serye, guys. Yung aming katulong, dumating siya kanina. And then, sabi ko kay Ram, sabihin mo sa kanya na last day na niya today, ha? Kasi gusto ko na talaga siyang sisantihin at hindi ko na talaga matiis yung mga ginagawa niya. Kasi, 'di ba, sabi ko sa inyo ilang beses na talaga siya every month na bigla na lang hindi papasok. And then hindi magsasabi kung bakit hindi papasok. Tapos hindi pa magpapaalam ng maayos. So, sabi ko kay Ram, imbis na makatulong siya, nakakadagdag siya sa stress ko. Kasi pag alam kong darating siya, nade-divide ko na yung oras ko, guys. Alam ko na kung ano yung mga gagawin ko at mga hindi ko na kailangan gawin. Pag biglang hindi siya dumating, matatambak lahat ng mga gawain. So, may stress ako kung ano yung uunahin ko. Ito ba? Yan ba? Ang gulo? Ang dumi? So, ayoko nang talagang wala akong idea na hindi siya darating. Sabi ni Ram, hayaan na muna. Isang buwan pa. Sabi ko, hindi na talaga. Kasi, at least kung ako man lang yung gagawa, may control ako sa kung ano man yung schedule ko. Tapos, mas namomonitor ko pa yung gaano kalinis yung kusina. Nakikita ko lahat. Pag ako ang naglilinis, nakikita ko talaga lahat, guys. Kasi, di ba, ako talaga yung nagkukuskus. Tsaka alam nyo naman, pag tayo ang naglinis, talagang napakalinis as compared sa kanila. Kung siya ang naglinis, uulitin ko pa, guys, kung ano yung nilinisan niya. Ang problema kasi, hindi ako maka-properly communicate sa kanya. So, si Ram yung taga-sabi. Minsan si Ram yung naiipit na, oh, sabi ni ano, ganito, ganyan. So, ina-explain naman ni Ram ng maayos. Ang problema kay Ram, masyadong mapagpasensya si Mister. So, alam niyo yun, parang ini-easy-easy lang kami ng katulong namin na, ay, nako, nakaka-stress. May mga nagsabi, wag na daw kami magkatulong kasi yung iba daw, di naman nagkakatulong, kaya ko na daw mag-isa, ganito, ganyan. Guys, dito kasi sa India, nasabi ko na ito sa inyo, most of us talaga may mga kasambahay kasi mura lang ang kasambahay dito. Isang oras lang yung trabaho nila. Ang ginagawa, yun nga, maghugas ng plato, mag-mop, at magwalis. So, sa trabahong yan ay ang binabayaran namin 2,000. So, siguro sa pesos mga 1,300 pesos. So, hindi masyadong mabigat para sa amin. And at least, naiisip mo na, hindi ko na kailangan maghugas ng plato, hindi ko na kailangan magwalis or magmap pa. Alam niyo yun, at least man lang at peace ka na okay, hindi ko na kailangan gawin ang trabaho na yun. Of course, malaking tulong na rin yun, diba? So, yun yung point ni Ram na pag tinigil natin ang magkatulong, mas maraming mga gawaing bahay ang kailangan mong gawin. Magluluto ka pa, mag-vlog ka pa, mag-edit ka pa ng video, pag-aalaga pa kay Ryan. So, alam niyo yun. Tapos, ang wini-worry pa ni Ram, pag may bisita kami, ang daming hugasin daw. Sabi ko, hayaan mo na. Huwag na muna nating isipin ang mga bagay na yan. As of now, gusto kong wala akong stress. Gusto kong ako muna ang may control sa mga bagay-bagay. Sabihin mo sa kanya, wag na muna siyang magtrabaho sa atin. And we'll see kung makahanap man tayo ng replacement niya. It's a blessing. Pero sa ngayon, kaya ko. Ako na muna. He's sad, Daddy. He's sad.
Why?
Because he did not help us with the project.
No, it's okay.
He slept.
It's okay, you try it. It's okay.
Yeah, he went to school, he did swimming, so you're tired. It's okay. He's just drawing. Mommy did it already. I'm done.
Good, very good.
Okay? It's okay. Next time. Sad talaga siya. At least you can submit it tomorrow. Please, Daddy, don't show it, Daddy.
So nice.
I'm not that proud with my drawing, Daddy. It's not that easy. I forgot already. My God, it's been so long.
What, baby? You did such a good job. It's so nice, this one.
Please don't show
It's
that.
really nice.
I'm too tired. I just finished. What time you left? Almost 2 hours. I was just drawing and coloring.
My handwriting is so bad.
Sorry, Ryan. Mommy and Daddy not that artistic. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Lamlo nallani vittanalu. It means on the white page there is a letters like a seeds. Chetito challutaru means use your hand to write, right? That's called cheti challutaru. Notito erutaru. It means you will read with the mouth. Noti, mouth erutaru.
Tapos na ang maths, now Telugu.
Letters. This is the one. Adivilo putta.
Today is assignment day for Ryan.
Yeah. Adivilo puttanu means I born in forest.
Okay, wait. Say bye to guys na so I can edit.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, Lucas. Peace.
Good night.